Welcome to today's Cruisin' Coasty. We're going to the DIY garage to work on the Atlas. This place is pretty cool. You should check it out if you do your own work on your own vehicles. I'll provide a link in the description. Today's Cruisin' Coasty. We got the Atlas in the shop. Going to do a rear haldex service, a rear differential service. You can't see it, but a transmission and a front differential service because the Atlas is all-wheel drive. Car's got about 64,000 on it. I'm a little overdue, but it's not bad. Volkswagen says 80, but we're gonna do it at 64-ish. We got the front diff here. It's pretty straightforward. Pretty easy service. Got a plug here and a plug here. And then this is the trans. Pretty easy service. Drain plug. And well, let's get started. Here are all the parts. The new transmission filter, the new transmission filter, gasket, O-ring for the filter, a drain plug gasket, and this little crazy thing goes up inside the transmission. I'll show you that later. All new drain plugs with copper gaskets. Another drain plug for the haldex. Some new bolts for the haldex. Transmission drain plug, and I forget where this one goes. It might be the front drain plug. Nice little pump to fill, to push all the fluids in. Not too bad. Starting with the rear diff and haldex because I did not order the right fitting. So stupid. You fill the transmission fluid through the bottom. There's no dipstick hole. So there's no way to fill from the top. So it's nice and warm, but I'm gonna have to work on the back because I don't want to drain the fluid if I can't put it back in. And I have to take off this to take off this wire, which comes around right here, so I can take this pump off. So we're gonna start in the back of the car first. Can't seem to get the wire out of the haldex control module, so I'm just going to drop it right off, expose it, and see what we can get that way. I don't want to break the plastic retainer. Get the end. There we go. Now I can get to this without breaking it. Couldn't get the clip out, so I'm gonna run it over the top. And the haldex is gonna have to hang there, and I'll clean it while it's hanging because I don't wanna break that clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and start draining fluid. Pro tip. The pro tip is always crack your fill first before you drain. That way you make sure you can get it out and not get stuck without being able to put fluid back in. And we'll let that drain. Guessing with the corrosion on it. This has never been done. And you can see the filter is really kind of black. So we're gonna clean up all this corrosion, this white powder, change the O-rings, take this off, spray it out, clean it. I couldn't get that plastic clip off, so it's just gonna have to hang there so I can do the service. So let me get the cleaner and the pick and we'll change the O-rings, clean the filter and put it back in.
An 18 on the big bolt. So you have to keep one clip through the new wrist again. Okay? Thank you so much. Good to see you. You got everything on, Mike? I popped the hood already, okay? Changing the oil? Yes.
This is why I don't like gloves. Everything is so slippery I can't hold it.
I mean, BMW left me, but Dodge doesn't. Ridiculous. In sedan, I have vacuum bleeders, or I can pump and help with bleeders. I like doing the old-fashioned way. It's not worth the effort for some of this stuff.
And that's got a lot of gunk right on the face of it. So we'll point that down and spray it real quick, clean it out, and continue. All right, the haldex is done. It's time for the fluid fill, so we'll do that now. Service kit comes with new plugs, so we're gonna put the new plugs in. All right, so the haldex, you have to run the thing. Obviously, we emptied the pump, so we have to run it on the lift with all wheels off the ground, so everything spins, fills back up. And now we're gonna do a differential service, which is back here. So I've completed the whole rear end, the haldex and the rear diff. I'm just gonna go around and make some marks so I know I was in there. May or may not stick, we'll see. And that just lets people know that a service has been done. And I'll double check the mileage when I get in the car. Not done with the haldex, we gotta run it in gear and then recheck. So unfortunately, I have to use the tools that are available to me, and I could not get the top screw to loosen, so I had to use the torque wrench, which is not normally what you're supposed to use a torque wrench for. But I backed it all the way off and used it. So Volkswagen uses, this is haldex. That's the thing that had the pump. This is the rear gear oil, and you see the G052580AT. And then you see the front differential gear oil. It's G052145S2, so they're different. I don't know if they're interchangeable, because my understanding is they're both just 8090 gear oil, but we're gonna do Volkswagen recommended. Alright, so the car was lowered, put it in gear, let it run for a little bit, and now we're going to check the haldex level again and add as necessary, because I should have filled that pump by now. Side note, the wheels have to be off the ground so that all four wheels can spin, and that's what helps fill the haldex pump. And we definitely need to add. Because nothing came out. Need some more. Alright, this is all I got left, so hopefully it starts to come out. Oh, maybe? Yep. We'll just get rid of that. I'll let that finish draining and put the plug back in. And I'm gonna call that good. There we go, starting to drip. And we'll put the plug back in and we'll torque it. What the heck? Oh, we got the wrong bit. This one's not very loud, but click, click. That's it. So we're all set. We just left the DIY garage. Oops. And the camera's on a selfie stick, so it's all over the place. But all is well. Whoops. My selfie stick fell over. All is well. And we'll have to do the transmission service when I get the stupid adapter for the fill through the drain plug, because the Germans feel there's no need for a dipstick, so you have to fill transmission fluid through the drain plug. Thanks for watching. Check back and I'll post the transmission service when I get that tube.